YouTube. I'm Daddy Princess and welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Okay, so today we are making juicy booty oatmeal. We're going to take a saucepan and we're going to put a cup of whole milk inside of it. Just whole milk, you guys. We're going to pour that inside of our saucepan. And then we are going to let that come to a boil. After our milk start boiling, then we're going to add 1/4 a cup of the steel oats. Next, while that is boiling for 5 to 7 minutes, I'm going to start my prepping. I'm going to take a ripe banana, and I like when bananas are ripe because they're like already sugary and you don't really need a lot of sugar. Bananas are great for weight gain and getting that juicy booty that you want, sis, because they're healthy and it's just an easy way to put on calories that is also delicious. So I'm just going to chop this banana up and put it to the side. And I'm also going to use some butter, because butter is not only for the taste, but it is also really good for weight gain. It has calories in it. And I'm I'm laughing because I put this piece of butter on the plate. Like, y'all don't know what butter look like, but I just put the butter on the plate. But yes, I have some brown sugar in the back, some peanut butter also that I'm going to be using. But like I was saying, butter is also great because it has calcium. It has fat in it, and it has enough fat where if you need to gain weight, you need to gain this booty while you're doing your tight booty workouts, because I know you're doing them, then this will help aid with that. It's going to help put that good amount of weight on you. So now that my oatmeal is done, I'm just going to go ahead and scoop that into the bowl, which is what you see me doing now. After I get my oatmeal inside of the bowl, it's looking all good. It's looking, delicious. It's all warm and whatnot. Hi, oatmeal. How you doing, baby? I am going to go ahead and I'm going to take this piece of butter and I'm just going to put the butter into the oatmeal first so that it's like able to melt a little bit before I add the other ingredients. Next, I'm going to take just regular whole milk, and I got this at Foods Co. And I'm just going to pour a 1/2 cup of that into a measuring cup. That's like a little over 1/2 cup, but I like mine to be like really soupy. It's almost like eating regular cereal, except it's oatmeal. And I'm going to go ahead and put my entire banana on top of that. So far we have oatmeal, butter, and banana. Next, I'm going to take a scoop of this Skippy peanut butter. And the peanut butter, you guys, the peanut butter is like single-handedly one of the best things you can do to add the extra calories. This is a calorie-filled, juicy booty oatmeal, you guys. We're trying to pack on calories so that we have enough. So when we're working out, our booty's getting juicy. You see me sprinkle on a little bit of cinnamon, and the cinnamon is just for taste. It also can help boost your metabolism, but it's really just for taste. I am just packing on more calories by adding brown sugar. I like brown sugar over regular sugar because I feel it has better health benefits than plain white sugar. And it also more tasty for me for my oatmeal. Like since I was a kid, I always loved that. You're going to see me just go ahead and try a little bit of this just to make sure, the taste is coming together. Because I can't be telling y'all and the taste ain't all the way there. But yes, I tasted it. The taste is amazing. I said, oh, all right. Okay. So this is a really good breakfast to eat. You're going to just see me take a couple of more scoops. This is a really good breakfast to eat to gain extra weight for your booty. For when you are doing the tight booty exercises or any booty exercises, you need to have a calorie-filled breakfast. I eat this in the morning before exercising and just to get my day started. I'm also going to add a drizzle of honey because it is a great way to up your calorie intake. And that is it, you guys. I'm Daddy Princess. Thank you so much for watching. If ain't nobody told you they love you today, and even if they did, I love you. Mwah. Peace. If you would like more food videos, comment down below.